Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ruksha Civil Engineering Courses. So we have already completed the first chapter in the surveying. What is the first chapter of surveying? Fundamental definitions and concepts. So today I am going to start second chapter of surveying, that is accuracy and errors. First of all, what is meant by accuracy? Accuracy means it is a degree of perfection obtained. What is the meaning of accuracy? Perfection obtained. Whenever we are doing some surveying, for getting the perfection means for getting the exact value. Whenever we are doing survey, whenever we get the exact value, it is known as accuracy, means getting the correct observation, it is known as accuracy. Okay. Usually the accuracy depends upon precise instruments, precise method and good planning. What are the factors on which the accuracy depends upon? The accuracy usually depends upon precise instruments. Second is precise methods. And third is good planning. Okay. These are the three factors on which the accuracy depends on. The use of precise instrument simplify the work, save the time and provide the economy. Why we are using the precise instrument? By using the precise instrument, the work will be done very easily and the time can also be saved. It is used for saving time and ease of work, and for completing the work in easiest way we are using the precise instrument. Next, why we are using precise methods? The use of precise method eliminate or try to reduce the effect of all type of errors. What is the purpose of this? It eliminates the errors. For eliminating the errors, we are using the precise methods. Next, what is good planning? The good planning which include proper choice and arrangement of survey control and proper choice of instrument and methods for each operation. It saves the time and reduce the probability of errors. What is the purpose of good planning usually? It is used for saving the time and also for eliminating the errors. Okay. What is accuracy? Accuracy means it is a degree of perfection obtained. Means whenever we are doing a surveying, whenever we want exact value, it is known as the accuracy, means exact correct value. It is known as accuracy. So accuracy usually depends upon three types. First is precise instruments. Next is precise methods. Next is good planning. In case of precise instrument, it is used for saving the time and also for ease of work, means the work can be completed very easily. In case of precise method, it is used for eliminating the errors. We are using the precise method. Next, good planning. In case of good planning, both can be done simultaneously, means the time can be saved, at the same time we can also eliminate the errors. Okay. Next, what is error? What is meant by error? The difference between a measurement and true value of quantity measured is the true error of the measurement. What is error means? Difference between measurement and true value. Means whenever we are doing a survey, there will be some exact value. Okay. And there will be some measured value also. So whenever the true value and the measured value, whenever we get the difference of these two values, there will be some error. Error means it may be incorrect chain length or in case shortage of chain length. Sometimes error may be occurred. So this is the name of the chapter, accuracy and errors. So in errors, what are the different sources of errors? Okay. What are the different sources of errors? First is the errors may arise from three sources. First is instrumental errors, personal errors and natural errors. What are the sources of errors? instrumental errors, personal errors. Third one is natural errors. Okay. What is instrumental error? The error may arise due to imperfection or faulty in adjustment of the instrument with which measurement is being taken. First I am going to discuss about instrumental errors. The instrumental errors usually occur due to imperfection or fault in the adjustment of instrument. It occurs due to imperfection or fault in adjustment of instrument. We are getting the instrumental errors. For example, a tape may be too long or an angle measuring instrument may be out of adjustment. Such error is known as instrumental error. What is example of instrumental error? The tape may be too long. Sometimes we are using the tape in case of surveying. Sometimes the tape may be too long. This is an example of the instrumental error. Okay. Once again I am explaining what is instrumental error. What is instrumental error? The error may arise due to imperfection or faulty adjustment of instrument with which measurement is being taken. For example, a tape may be too long or angle measuring instrument may be out of adjustment. Such error is known as instrumental errors. So, next our second type of error is personal errors. What is the cause for the personal errors? The error may arise due to want of perfection of human sight in observing and of touching, manipulating the instrument. What is the reason for the personal error? Means these errors are caused by the person, means who are doing the surveying, whether it may be follower or whether it may be observer. The error caused by the human, it is known as a personal errors. It is due to imperfection of human sight. Imperfection of human sight means whenever we are doing the surveying and whenever we want to sight some points, sometimes we may do the wrong sighting. By doing, we get some errors. And also when touching and manipulating the instrument. Touching and manipulating the instrument. It also may occur whenever we are touching and moving the instrument while doing surveying. Okay. The example is, an error may be there in taking the level reading or reading an angle on circle of theodolite. Such error is known as personal errors. Error in taking the level reading means whenever we are doing leveling, we are taking some readings. Whenever some error occur in this reading, it is example of the some personal errors. What is personal errors? The error may also arise due to perfection of human sight in observing and touching and manipulating the instrument. For example, an error may be in taking the level reading or reading an angle on the circle of theodolite. Such type of error is known as a personal errors. So, our last source of error is natural errors. Natural, here the name itself indicates that the errors are usually getting from the natural conditions, means atmospheric conditions. See, the error may also due to variation in natural phenomenon such as temperature, humidity, gravity, wind, refraction and magnetic declination. What are the main reasons for natural errors? It is due to some natural phenomena. What are the natural phenomena? Temperature. Next is humidity. Next is gravity. Next wind. Next refraction. And the final is magnetic declination. These are the reason for the natural errors. If they are not properly observed while taking measurement, the results will be incorrect. Whenever we are doing the surveying and whenever we are taking the measurement, these all should be considered while taking the measurement. If we are neglecting any one of these, then we will get the error. Such type of error is known as a natural error. For example is, a tape may be 20 meter at 20 degrees centigrade, but its length will change if the field temperature is different. What we are saying example, a tape may be 20 meter at 20 degrees centigrade. At temperature 20 degrees centigrade, the tape may be 20 meter. But whenever there is a change in temperature, the length of tape may be different. Then we will get the natural errors. So once again, what is natural error? The error may also be due to variations in natural phenomena such as temperature, humidity, gravity, wind, refraction and magnetic declination. If they are not properly observed when taking measurement, the results will be incorrect. For example, a tape may be 20 meter at 20 degrees centigrade temperature, but its length may be changed if the field temperature is different. So, in this video, I have explained you accuracy and errors. What is meant by accuracy? What are the factors on which the accuracy depends upon? And what are the errors? And what are the sources of errors? Accuracy depends upon three factors: precise instrument, precise method, good planning. And what are the different sources of errors? Instrumental errors, personal errors and natural errors. Instrumental errors means whenever there is some error in case of instrument, it is usually known as instrumental errors. Personal errors means the errors which is caused by human beings, it is known as personal errors. Natural errors means the error which is caused due to atmospheric conditions, so it is known as natural errors. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.